In this video, I'll show you how to fix "we couldn't create an account for you" error on Facebook. So if you're trying to create a new account and frequently getting this error, then don't worry. Here's the easiest way to fix this problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix this, go ahead and open up the Play Store from your device and then go ahead and tap on the search button and search for VPN. And from the list, you can install any of this VPN. Let's say I'm going to select this one. I'm not promoting this application. I found this helpful, so that's what I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to tap on install. And once the installation is done, go and tap on open. And then tap on this select option at the top and select a different country. Let's say I'm going to select the US, for example, and then tap on connect. And once the VPN gets connected, you just need to get back from here and go to the Facebook now, and you can create a new account from that page. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.